Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School.
Encourage them, cheer loudly for them as they perform the drill with enthusiasm and energy. Let the drill begin.
It's a time to felicitate our honorable chief guest. It's time to felicitate our honorable chief guest Hazrat Maulana असलम जावेद नक्शबंदी साहब. आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप मोमेंटो के लिए तशरीफ़ फरमाइए. हमारे एस्टीम फाउंडर एंड चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर मिस्टर मोहम्मद सादिक सर is going to felicitate along with our dignitaries, director of Santosh Nagar branch and Chadarghat branch. Please accept the token of gratitude. तहे दिल से आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं. आपका कीमती वक्त आपने हमें दिया है. थैंक यू सो मच सर. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर. हमारे बच्चों को अपने दुआ में याद रखिएगा और इसी तरीके से आपका खैर मकदम करने के लिए हमें फिर से अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली तो देन वी विल बी वेरी ब्लेस्ड. थैंक यू सो मच सर. What do you feel holds for the pattern making formation? A wonderful formation. A huge round of applause, audience. What a coordination and synchronization we can see on the drum beat. They are doing it. Girls, you are looking awesome by making the formations of different colors. You are truly representing the culture of HIS group of schools. A round of applause. They are perfectly trained. Dupatta drill helps improve hand-eye coordination. It also helps fine motor skills and dexterity. The drill involves various movements that help increase flexibility and range of motion. It requires maintaining balance and proper posture, which can improve overall physical stability. Wonderful. Please do a huge round of applause. तालियां रुकनी रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. क्या मंजर है. माशाल्लाह, it is looking awesome. Is an integral part of an Indian culture heritage, particularly in traditional dances and in sports, is often performed in groups, fostering community bonding and social connections. It allows our performances for our students to create an expression and interpretation among all the drills. You can see the perfect coordination and synchronization on each beat without any instruction. They are following the beat and making the patterns. Wonderful coordination. The hooting of the parents itself is a witness that this display of the drill is outstanding. Give a huge round of applause, audience. We are really very proud of our all talented girls of high school. They are presenting the drill in an awesome manner. Congratulations to the teachers who have done their hard work since last 2 months to train this outstanding drill. A huge round of applause, audience. And it's a dedication to Palestine. Please support Palestine, parents. We need your support. Please stand on your places and support Palestine. A salute to your courage, girls, representing Palestine. We are with Palestine.
Wow, that was wonderful move. That's great, isn't it, audience? Please give a huge round of applause for them. They have made a beautiful flower with the colors of the flag of Palestine. And what a beautiful coordination it is. Wow.
Outstanding formation. Please, तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, parents.
I'm very excited to see what they are going to do now. Again, they came back to their original position. What do you see? What do you think, Khatija Miss? What they are going to do it now?
Mama, and again, a treasure is hidden
Wow,
in the formation.
isn't it wonderful?
Yes. Amazing. A huge round of applause, a resounding claps for our entire team of drill. Wonderful girls, you're doing amazing. Let's see what kind of, again, another treasure is hidden in their drill patterns. We can see red color has been sorted, white color has been sorted, and black and green.
Wow, what an amazing move. What are they going to make now? I'm very excited to see the surprise.
Same here, ma'am. I guess they are going to show another tribute. What a quick energy pack they are having. Mashallah, a resounding clap.
It's a power-packed performance by the powerful girls of HIS. Please give a huge round of applause, audience. Wow, all green, black, white and red came together. What a wonderful coordination.
I'm so excited to see what is the treasure they are going to bring us for ma'am here.
Let us see what they are going to do. It's the hard work of our teachers. As we can see, our teachers are also running on the field along with the students.
Salute to all HIS teachers who have worked very hard behind this drill.
I think they are making the flag of Palestine. What a wonderful pattern making it was.
प्लीज पेरेंट्स इस बात पे तो तालियां बजा दीजिए हमारे बच्चियों के लिए. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए.
Wow, that's really amazing, isn't it, Khatija Miss?
Yes, ma'am. Awesome and outstanding performance they are doing. Hats off, girls. Their quick movement shows how
Wow,
well
and the
trained they are.
beautiful wind is also like looking very good.
Today, weather is also supporting us.
Wow,
flamboyant performance by our girls. Please give a resounding claps
It's
again.
very beautiful. It's amazing, and the audience view can also be superb, isn't it, audience?
Perfect Palestine flag is witnessed on the field.
Wonderful coordination, perfect training by the teachers. Hats up to you all, everyone. What else they are going to do it now?
Ma'am, I guess they are going to do another surprise moment for all of us.
They are going to make another pattern. Let us see what they are going to do now. I'm very much excited to see.
Yes, ma'am, me too. Like, we cannot wait for a second also what our girls are going to bring for us.
They have formed of 4 circles of different colors. Wow, that was awesome. Isn't it, audience? Please give a huge round of applause for our children. A beautiful flower, 4 flowers of HIS.
Wonderful girls, you have done an incredible job by showing such an amazing drills. Keep it up. You're doing really very nice. We all are proud of you. Such a blissful moment for all of us to have talented kids along with our appreciable teachers with their dedication and hard work. A salute to all the teachers and students of this drill.
MashaAllah, it is indeed a powerful and heartfelt performance. Well done, girls. You are indeed the super girls of HIS. Wow. That's wonderful. Wow.
With their every move, they are supporting Palestine. Am I
And
right,
how
ma'am?
beautifully they are coordinating with each other. There are no need of any instructions from anyone. And the steps that they are taking.
सच्चे मुसलमान ऐ मस्जिदे अक़सा ऐ अर्ज़े फ़लस्तीन हाज़िर है हाज़िर है हाज़िर है
Wow.
हाज़िर है जान अपनी फ़लस्तीन हाज़िर है जान अपनी फ़लस्तीन हम अय्यूबी लश्कर बनकर जालिम से लड़ेंगे डटकर हम अय्यूबी लश्कर बनकर जालिम से लड़ेंगे डटकर ऐ मस्जिद अक़सा ऐ मस्जिद अक़सा ऐ मस्जिद अक़सा ऐ मस्जिद अक़सा लब्बैक या अक़सा लब्बैक या अक़सा लब्बैक या अक़सा लब्बैक या अक़सा हुर्मत पे तेरी अक़सा हम लोग लड़ेंगे मरना ही हमें है तो लड़कर भी मरेंगे बाजार नजर ये सितमगर हम मारेंगे घर में घुसकर बाजार नजर ये सितमगर हम मारेंगे घर में घुसकर ऐ मस्जिद अक़सा ऐ मस्जिद अक़सा ऐ मस्जिद अक़सा ऐ मस्जिद अक़सा
Wow, they have made the flag of Palestine. Isn't it great, audience? Please give a huge round of applause.
हर कल्बे मुसलमान में है आज तेरा गम देख के तेरी ये
Very well executed.
हर राख गया
showcasing is wonderful. With every corner and their every quick move, they are supporting Palestine. It's a clear message that we are with Palestine.
जुल्म का अब जो सर है मस्जिद अक़सा
We request all the parents to please stand on their places to support Palestine. सभी पेरेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट की जाती है कि अपने प्लेसेस पर ठहर जाइए फलस्तीन को सपोर्ट करने के लिए. Parents, if you all stand with Palestine, please, we request you to please stand on your places. We request all the parents to please stand for Palestine. Wow, isn't it super? Please give a huge round of applause, audience. तालियां आपकी रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. Beautiful presentation by our girls. A proud moment for HIS.
अर्ज़ फ़लस्तीन तुझे नबियों ने नवाजा है तेरा मुसलमानों से ईमान का नाता. हम अपना खून बहाकर आबाद करेंगे तेरा दिल. हम अपना खून बहाकर
Wow, the handmade banners are so beautiful, isn't it, Khatija Miss?
Yes, ma'am. It shows how dedicated they are, and they are supporting Palestine and showcasing their tribute by their performance. Each move and each turn is showing their work and their dedication. Impressive performance. Thank you, parents. Jazakallah khair. आप लोग अपनी जगह पर ठहर चुके हैं. Our parents are also supporting to Palestine.
Wow, what a great move by the students.
They have made the banner. We are with Palestine.
फ़लस्तीन को
You can see parents at the end. Our girls are holding the handmade banner that we are with Palestine. A huge round of applause for all our students' hard work, dedication.
We can see not only the parents, even our staff, technical team, everyone is applauding the performance.
Truly deserving performance, ma'am. It's an amazing and power-packed performance.
It's a pride moment for each and every person of HIS.
Indeed, ma'am, you are truth. They are making us proud by their every movement. Wonderful girls, wonderful teachers.
To all the students who have diligently practiced the dupatta drill, your commitment and grace is truly commendable. We are proud of you, everyone. You have shown remarkable dedication in mastering the delicate art of handling the dupatta.
From the river to the sea. From the river to the sea. From the river to the sea. From the river to the sea.
Thank you so much, students. Your precision, elegance, and attention to the detail, it's really fantastic. And thank you so much to the hard work of the teachers and the parents who have supported during the sports day. Thank you so much, each and every one of you.
A huge round of applause for our drill performance. That was really amazing. It was a heart-soothing performance. They have showcased a flamboyant way of supporting Palestine.
Keep up the fantastic work, girls. Your perseverance and practice is an inspiration to everyone. Thank you so much for the wonderful drill. And congratulations for your biggest achievements.
Now here on stage we have